Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you the remaining part of active and passive voice. My dear student, in the previous video I have taught you how to change in passive voice of the present tense, present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense. And the last present perfect continuous tense is not suitable for the passive voice. So I have taught you the three tenses and their rules. Dear student, today I am going to teach you past indefinite tense and how we change the sentences into passive voice of the past indefinite tense. So let's start. Dear student, this is the sentence he killed a snake, and this is in past indefinite tense, or you can say this is in simple past tense. Dear student, according to tense, first we will change this into negative, interrogative and interrogative with the WH word. After that we will change this into passive voice. So see this negative, he did not kill a snake. He did not kill a snake. This is negative. And interrogative, did he kill a snake? Interrogative one. And the next is, did he not kill a snake? Interrogative one. If we want to change this with the help of WH word, then we add WH word here. Why did he kill a snake? And why did he not kill a snake? These are the sentences according to the tense. Now we will change this into passive voice. Here we will change the object into subject, a snake, and this is in past indefinite. So we see the subject. If the subject is singular, then we use was. A snake was, and the third form of the verb, killed. A snake was killed, and we add subject to by. By and the objective case of he is him. The sentence is, a snake was killed by him. This is in passive. Now we will change this into negative and interrogative. A snake was not killed by him. This is negative. And interrogative, was a snake killed by him? This is interrogative. Was a snake not killed by him, interrogative. And WH word, replace here WH word. Why was a snake killed by him? And why was a snake not killed by him? These sentences are in passive voice, and this is the rule to change this. My dear student, here the subject is singular, so we use was. If the subject is in plural form, then we use here were. And the all changing will be same. So dear student, this was the past indefinite tense. Now we will change, we will see the rules of changing in passive voice of the past continuous tense. See this. In past continuous tense, or you can say in continuous tense, every work is going on continue. And in past, in continuous tense, we use was and were for singular was and for plural were, and the ing form of the verb. This is the rule of tense. He was killing a snake. He was killing a snake. This is the sentence of past indefinite, and we have to change this into passive. After changing in passive, we will change this into negative and interrogative. He was not killing a snake. He was not killing a snake. This is negative. And interrogative. Was he killing a snake? Interrogative mark. Was he not killing a snake? Interrogative mark. These are the interrogative sentences that is made up of helping verb. But if we make this with the help of WH word, then we add here WH word. Why was he killing a snake, and why was he not killing a snake? These are 6 sentences according to tense. Now we will change this into passive voice. Same process. A snake. A snake was. A snake means this is in singular form, so we use was. And being, B-E-I-N-G, being. A snake was being, and the third form of kill, killed. A snake was being killed by objective case of him. By him. This is the passive sentence. A snake was being killed by him. Negative. A snake was not being killed by him. This is negative. A snake was not being killed by him. Interrogative. Was a snake being killed by him? This is interrogative. And interrogative negative. Was a snake not being killed by him? If we change this with the help of WH word, then we get here WH word. Why was a snake being killed by him? And why was a snake not being killed by him? These are the sentences in the passive voice of the past continuous tense. Dear student, if the subject is in plural form, we use were in the place of was. If the subject is in plural, then we use were. Otherwise, subject is singular, then we always use was. And the third part of the verb, and we add objective case of the subject through by. This is the rule. Dear student, now we will change the sentences into passive voice of the tense past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, the sentence is he had killed a snake. This is the sentence. Here the third form of the verb is already used. So here we have not to search the third form of the verb. See this. First we change these sentences into negative interrogative. He had not killed a snake. This is negative. Had he killed a snake? Interrogative. Had he not killed a snake? Interrogative negative. And now we will make this with the help of WH word. Then we add here. Why had he killed a snake? And why had he not killed a snake? These are the sentences according to tense. Now we will change these sentences into passive voice with the help of some important rules. See this. A snake. A snake had. Here, if the subject is singular or in plural, for both the forms we use had. A snake had being, and the third form of the verb kill. A snake had been killed by him. This is the passive sentence. A snake had been killed by him. Negative. A snake had not been killed by him. This is negative. Interrogative. Had a snake been killed by him? Interrogative mark. And next, had a snake not been killed by him? This is interrogative negative. If we want to make with the help of WH word, then we add here WH word. Why? Why had a snake been killed by him? And why had a snake not been killed by him? These are the sentences into passive voice, and this is the rule of making the sentences into passive voice. So, dear student, by seeing these examples and reading the rules, studying the rules of making sentences into passive voice, you can make or you can change into passive voice very easily. So, dear student, I hope you all have understood very well. So, this is enough for today. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.